Have you ever wondered why Zaxby's sauce tastes so addictive? Today we're making a copycat version that's incredibly easy, tastes just like the original, or even better, and the full recipe is in the description below. Here's the beauty of making this at home. Zax sauce is all about that perfect balance of rich creaminess, sweet tangy notes, and a peppery bite. By using simple pantry staples instead of store-bought versions full of preservatives and artificial additives, you get a much fresher, cleaner, and bolder flavor profile right from your kitchen. To start, grab a medium mixing bowl. First, go ahead and add your half cup of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is our core base ingredient here. It's what gives the sauce its signature rich, velvety creaminess and binds all our spices together into a smooth, dipping sauce. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of ketchup. Ketchup brings in that delicious, sweet tomato acidity that balances out the richness of the mayo. Now let's season it up. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for a savory bite and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper for that classic zesty flavor. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to lift the flavors with a sharp, clean tang, followed by 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to add a deep, rich umami complexity. Lastly, we add our special finishing touch: 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The smoked paprika infuses a subtle, irresistible, smoky aroma, while the cayenne adds a delicate warmth. If you prefer a milder sauce, feel free to skip these, or adjust the amounts to match your spice tolerance. Now take a wire whisk and gently begin bringing all these elements together. As you incorporate the ingredients, you'll watch the pale mayo transform into a warm, golden-hued sauce. Whisking continuously helps fully emulsify the liquids with the fats, ensuring every single spoonful carries an even distribution of spice, tang, and creaminess without separating. As our sauce reaches that perfectly silky, uniform consistency, here's a quick reminder. If you're loving simple, delicious homemade recipes like this, please take a quick moment to like and share this video and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you're always notified whenever we drop a new recipe on SpiceRally. Look at that rich, creamy texture. You can go ahead and use the sauce immediately, or cover the bowl and keep it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight to allow all those flavors to meld together perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. Try this out at home, let us know how it turned out in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next recipe.